How to verify your TikTok account. First of all, launch your TikTok. So one of the reasons why your TikTok may not be verified is because you may have not entered your information clearly on TikTok. So that probably must be not mentioning your number or not mentioning your email address. So what you can do is just go to your profile and here tap on this option and then go to settings and privacy. After that, you just need to go to your account and tap on account information and then enter your phone number. And if you haven't entered your phone number, just enter your phone number. If you haven't entered your email address, just enter your email address and that will send you a code and confirm your email address on this. And that way your verification will be completed in TikTok application very easily. So make sure to follow the steps and thank you for watching this video.